Hi, in this tutorial, I will show you how to connect NinjaForms to SuiteDash using BitFlows. BitFlows is an advanced automation plugin for WordPress. It helps you create complex workflows and integrate various apps seamlessly. I have already installed the BitFlows plugin on our site. In this tutorial, I will explain how to create a new contact in SuiteDash using NinjaForms. I will use NinjaForms as a trigger node to send a message for contact creation in SuiteDash. Step 1. Create a new flow. First, navigate to the Flows page. If you have not created any flow yet, click on the Create Flow button. Enter a name for your flow, and then click on the Create button. Once you have successfully created a new flow, it will be displayed like this. Step 2. Add NinjaForms as a trigger. Next, let's add NinjaForms as a trigger in our workflow. To do this, click on the plus icon. A pop-up will appear. From there, search and select NinjaForms, Form Submission as the trigger. Now, choose the form you'd like to use from the drop-down menu. After that, click the Listen Response button. Now I will submit a test response from NinjaForms. Once the form submission is completed, the response will appear like this. The data will now be available in the next flow step as a variable to map. Finally, close the Trigger tab. We have successfully added a NinjaForms trigger to our flow. Step 3. Add an action. Now, I will add SuiteDash as an action in the workflow. Click the plus icon again, then search and select SuiteDash Create Contact as the action from the pop-up. Next, select a SuiteDash connection from the drop-down menu. If you don't have any existing connection or want to create a new one, simply click the Add Connection button. Here, write a name for your connection. Then you will need to provide an API key and value to establish a connection with SuiteDash. To get your API key and value, visit the SuiteDash API key settings. Now copy the public ID. Then go back to the BitFlows builder and paste it into the key field. Copy the secret key and paste it into the value field. Then click the Connect button. Your SuiteDash node is now successfully connected to BitFlows. Next, select a role from the drop-down options. Now, I will map the fields from the NinjaForms response to the SuiteDash fields. After completing all the setup steps, close the Action tab. Step 4. Run a final test. Now, click on the Test Flow Once button to run a test. Then submit a form to trigger a response from NinjaForms. Once your form is successfully submitted, return to the BitFlows builder and click on the Logs button to view the details. In the Logs section, you can verify that your form submission response has been successfully captured and recorded in SuiteDash. Step 5. Verify the contact in SuiteDash. Finally, go to your SuiteDash dashboard and click on CRM. Then select Contact. Here, you will see that a new contact has been successfully added to your SuiteDash account. That's all for this tutorial. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.